We're up here at the LC Club night. I wasn't planning on doing any filming. I haven't got a mic with me either. But we've had so many LCs turn up. I'm just going to do a quick video of them all just for the channel. But you'll have to make do with the sound, I'm afraid. This is Mr. Glennon's LC. We've seen that one before, but we've got a whole stack of them. I'm just going to go along here. This is Darren and his friend. But we have got stacks of LCs here tonight. Look at that. F2s, my RD350, a couple of candy blue LCs, Bounty, the old Yamaha 350. Look at that. That is a rare bike. And yeah, we've got a little RD125 here. Beautiful thing. TZ Arts, belongs to a mate of mine, another candy blue LC. Hawksworth's RD350. This has just been restored on behalf of the client. Beautiful 31k. Looks like brand new. Tell us what you've done to this one then. I haven't got any mic, so you'll have to speak up. Tell us what you've done to it.
Full restoration, really.
Top nut and bolt.
Nut and bolt, everything's had something done to it. That can have something done to it. This has got a bit of a sorry story. This has been up to the headlight in water.
Really?
He gave it to his mate to store in his barn or something like that. And unfortunately the barn flooded, and so did the bike. So yeah, although the engine's supposed to be water cooled, not underneath the pistons usually.
No.
There was an inch of water in the headlight. And you take all the bodywork off, even though it had been jet washed, there was silt everywhere.
Oh Jesus!
It was proper minging. So yeah, full nut and bolt restoration, really.
How long has it taken you?
9 months.
9 months.
Guess,
That's not too bad. That.
I mean, it's bitting and bobbing.
Yeah.
You know, as and when you can.
No, it's brilliant, mate. You've done a cracking job on it. It's lovely to see him come back from the, you know, the dead, so to speak, especially one that's been submerged in water. Yeah, if you ever need a restoration, this is your man. He does some great jobs. I do like these. When these came out like that.
They look nice.
Yeah.
They're not as nice to ride as the LC, in my opinion.
Yeah.
But, you know,
what do you think,
styling-wise.
What's the difference? What is it? Is it the way the motor runs, or?
Well, the motor's obviously lovely.
Yeah.
You know, the power valve engine is far superior to the LC. Just the front ends always feel a bit long.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's just the way they handle.
Oh, right, okay, so I know what you mean.
Not as nice to ride.
Yeah.
That's a good way of putting it.
Yeah.
Given the choice of, you know, an LC or a power valve, which is
yeah.
why so many people put power valve engines
in LCs. Yeah, it's the best of both worlds.
And also, I mean, beauty's in the eye of the beholder, so you either like a power valve or you like an LC. It's kind of what was on your poster on your bedroom wall, or your neighbour had, or the bloke down the road.
Yeah.
So that's why you go chasing what you fancied. But yeah, I've kind of always had a soft spot for the LC style. Yeah,
no, that's a fair comment, mate. I do know what you mean. I just like the look of them though. The 350 power valve. The best bikes, 2 strokes ever, I think.
Oh god, yeah, no.
Goes without saying,
doesn't it? Characteristic of the engine. There's not a 4-stroke around.
No.
That's does the same thing as a 2-stroke.
Anywhere close.
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant, mate. That's beautiful. That. Look at the inside. That is gleaming. Everything's brand new. So you've got the old kickstart there, mate. Olive green. How is that? That's not the old Passivate, is it? Can't be. It is sort of. It's a modern version of it. Yeah.
That's now discontinued
yes,
by all accounts.
Is it? Right.
You can't, yeah. The place that I had to do that, I mean, that was the first kind of job really. Put all your passive eight together and send it off.
Yeah.
So that was done, 6 months ago, 7 months ago. But apparently now they've definitely finished doing it. Whether or not anybody else is doing it, I don't know. But it is a proper drab olive passive eight, but it's not quite the same colours.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's a slightly
as the 80s stuff.
It is slightly different, isn't it? But I mean, for effect, it's brilliant, mate. It's like a brand new bike. He's going to be so excited when he sees this. It's fantastic, mate. It's cracking. It's like getting a brand new one all over again, 40 years, or 3 years later. It's exciting.
But at least older, a little bit older and more sensible than ride it.
Well, I don't know about that, mate.
More sympathetically.
I don't know about that.
At times.
I was out of my RG today, and you can't help but turn into a yoth again.
But it's not everywhere, is it?
No, not everywhere, mate. No. Only in
thing.
That is the thing. Not everywhere. Yeah, you pick and choose your moments.
Yeah, you'll let it have a good clear out.
Yeah.
And then you go, right, okay, let it cool down. Let's be sensible for a bit.
Yeah, then you have to. Yeah.
And then it's kind of, all right, I know this road. I know there's no horrible side streets.
Yeah.
There was no gravel last time I came down it. So, all right, let's go for a play. And that's the way to ride them, really.
Yeah.
It
is, mate. We've got to look after them, though, haven't we? We've got to keep them going. If there's another generation behind us that will have it. Look at that. Oh. Awesome, mate. Cracking job, that. Well done. Jason Locke, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. If you ever want a restoration, top man, look him up on Facebook. Unless you've got a website.
Yes.
What is it?
New Era Motorcycle Restorations.co.uk
Okay, yeah.
But New Era Motorcycle Restorations.
.co.uk. Jason Locke. I've seen some of his restorations and I've not seen finer, let's put it that way. It's well worth having a chat with if you need something doing. Right, I'm gonna have a look around. Thanks, Jason. Nice one, mate. Boys going. I do like the F2s. Lovely bike. See you soon, mate. See you soon. Smooth. They sound lovely, they do. So yeah, great night down here at the LC Club again. Some fantastic bikes. Most of them have cleared off now, but we've still got a few over there. It's just been, we've been publicising it a bit more. So if you have got an LC and you want to come, and you're in the Midlands area, first Thursday of every month down at the New Inn Shardlow, we have an LC night in the summer. We still meet in winter, but it's generally not on the bikes or not on the LCs. But it's great to see everybody down here tonight. It's been a really good night. Yeah, really enjoyed it.